Well, ahead of Kwesi Asante Kotoko a crash of a game at Baswa, Baba Sports Stadium, Kwesi had no miensa. Coach Kwesi Appiah, former Black Stars coach and currently Sudanese national team coach. Also, the technical director for Krobia Asante Kotoko was storming Kotoko training ground or the pep talks. Kasa bi also kasa players no or they are coming ahead of this all important game eba so Baba Sports Stadium no na man for kasa coach Kwesi Appiah or that's your technical director ni Sudan adwuma yi na kwan ben so na obefa so a combine say adwuma we but still na 2 months ni ye hu say adwuma na ekoso adwuma no ekoso real nice adwuma no ekoso ankasa oye adwuma no simultaneously to say all this important fixture wetimaba and our meeting players no general report wa hwe bibia mu nsempot ya okan no ni nyina nso ye dey bro on Super 24 TV, and as you can see on the screen arguably the best midfielder in the Ghana Premier League Richmond Lamptey and our who say on any have a talk ho. Let's note say Kwesi Appiah player wa Kotoko ne has ni bi pen oni Joe Debra mo from Paul Manso mu those days Safo Jemfimo wa bo enya mu experience a oni me kwan fa so hye Accra House of Folk ankasa eno nti na nya nwanwase na wo so okọ ho Thursday anopa training ena okọ ho ena oni players no konya sa enkante zeze ena oni mukwala ewo screen no so eni bre pa na say mukwala nso afine na rhythm as say no unya ball no o pushia ehu ankasa but meanwhile Emreni kakra 2 or 3 days bia na reports been in the moon report about Salifu Di Maria Ibrahim or Accra Folk player midfielder na in mu say oba Kotoko ni move to Kotoko no medin komo kakra actually medin komo kakra until I was say yes I report we kakra and so FM ma there is no truth in that Kotoko signing Salifu or Salifu move to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no krebia nim at least ye ben panyifo ni bi kakra ye ne panyifo no edi nkomo within Kumasi Asante Kotoko asem na meken and omo che say no krebia said nim coach Ogum nye interested in signing Salifu already our midfield no cry is already packed abroso inti sansem no krebia nim on your screen e baba ya say we fully fit Kwesi game no so one started from the bench and Justice Blay and also ewo hono into ultimu say right now all is set for Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Accra Folk. Coach Kwesi Appiah pep talk and Odema boys no pa now let's note this one game we Baswa Baba Sports Stadium but Accra Folk and Ebo home in our last 10 home games with Accra Folk we winning 4 Accra Folk 4 no we winning 3 and I think 3 I draw but this time no omu home no abeye Kumasi Baba and ma dynamics near some way kakra but we can still trust Kumasi Asante Kotoko to have 5 wins in a row already or 4 wins in a row see show we can 5 wins in a row and the signs are clear say Kumasi Asante Kotoko